Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use pad, fillet, pocket, external projection. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make the sketch of this face here. So to create this sketch, we have the dimensions here. The distance between this point here and this point here is 150 millimeters. The distance between this point here and this one is 60 millimeters. And the distance here is 20 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and this one is 15 millimeters. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a new sketch and select the right plane. Select the polyline, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here. Make this line a vertical line, go to dimensions, the distance here, 60 millimeters, 20 millimeters here, 15 millimeters here, and this line has 150 millimeters. Now leave the sketch. We need to extrude this, and the distance will be 80 millimeters. So go to pad, select this profile, the mode, select symmetric, the length 8 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will create this fillet here in this corner. The fillet has 20 millimeters of radius, and in this edge the fillet has 15 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge and this edge, the radius here 15 millimeters, press OK, and go to fillet again, select this edge and this edge, the radius here is 20 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will create this two hole here. This circle has 15 millimeters of diameter, and it is concentric with this arc, with the fillet. So select the back face here and create a new sketch, and go to external projection, select this arc and this arc. This point is the center of this arc, so select the circle, make a circle here, and this circle will be concentric with the arc, and the diameter here is 15 millimeters. Make the same in this side. And now leave the sketch and go to pocket, and the length here is 20 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will make this two slot here. This slot is concentric with this arc, and this one is concentric with this arc. And this slot has 20 millimeters of diameter by 90 millimeters of length. So select this face and go to create a sketch, and go to external projection, select this arc and this one, and select a slot. Click here in this point, make a slot here, 90 millimeters, and the radius here 10 millimeters. Let me move this dimension a little bit. Make the same in the other side. Click here, 90 millimeters. Make sure that it is a horizontal slot. The radius here is 10 millimeters. If your slot is not horizontal, just go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, and select this line here, or this line for this slot. And now leave the sketch, go to pocket, select this slot. The length here is 15 millimeters, or you can select here the dimension through all and press OK. And here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.